Hi, here at Object Edge, we've built something cool for Palantir developers. Most Palantir user interface is built within Palantir's workshops as an operational assistant. And here is one of the screens that you see that we had built using a vehicles database, which has a lot of vehicles, and that these charts show different characteristics by brand, by model, and also individual vehicle information, as well as things that are owned by specific people and all. And the best practice in terms of building user interface is to build on React, but most of the time it gets easier to build it within Palantir, but to build it outside using the same data is something adopted as a best practice pattern. And here, what we have done is we have built a tool which, with few clicks, can convert this kind of screens into a React screen. And that's what I'm going to show you a quick sneak preview, and we'll go into the details in another video. Here is our extension. We call that Foundry tools. Not only this, there are other things that we do with these tools. But let's look at this particular tool where once it is installed, it automatically identifies the workshop ID and your Foundry URL and our project ID. And the cool thing about this is that either you can make this and convert this into a complete React app with mock data, or two other ways that you can connect to Foundry, which is Palantir OAuth is what I'm using. And then you click convert, it goes through some motions and then like converts that to a React app. And the converted React app is what I'm going to show you here. And here is the application launcher, which shows you all the converted apps. And here is the converted app, and it went through a wireframe capturing all of that stuff, uses OSDK, and there are logs. You can see what's going on, and then you can open the app. Once you open the app, you get a React version of the same thing. And you can see here, it's exactly like, let's compare. You have Goal as a brand model here, which has 4,036,747. And here, same, where is Goal here? Maybe there is a filter here. So let me try to remove the filter. And yeah. Let's go back, and you can see that 4,036,747. I think it just had to refresh the screen. So you can see how the features are exactly the same. You don't have to do anything. You just click a few buttons, and it uses various skills that we had built, does series of steps, and connects to the same data. And you can do exactly the same filters that you can do over here. Let's do a filter by a particular model. Let's say Fox as a model, and you can see that the Fox data, and you have this. Let's take one of the graph elements. It's Fox 2013, the number of customers in that, or vehicles in that period, 178,251. And let's go over here. Let's do the same thing. Say Fox. So same data, same information, but very quick way to convert any Palantir-based workshops to a React. If you are interested to learn more, contact us. But this is a sneak preview. I'll go into the details of how this all happens and showcase an example of one end to of this particular conversion happening. Thanks.